sign up for Zelle with Schwab. Now, first of all, download the Charles Schwab banking application, right? Remember that to use Zelle with Schwab, you'll need a Schwab Bank investor checking account, an email address or US mobile phone number, and the Schwab Mobile app as well. First of all, what you have to do is once you make sure you have those prerequisites, to enroll for Zelle using Schwab, you can simply launch the Schwab application. So there you can see the login button and so on. So when you go to there, you can go ahead and log into your account. Now within the app, select move money and then select send money with Zelle option. So after you log in within the app, you'll find the option to send money with Zelle and so on. So what you have to do is you have to go ahead and then basically look for that option within the app, right? So normally you'll find it right over there. Then when you've done that, you'll find other options. That is that you have to look for Zelle, then choose the person you want to send money or receive from. Then you will be guided through the process of sending, receiving, or requesting money with Zelle on Schwab. So this way you can sign up for Zelle with Schwab. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.